Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate Lucky mobile SIM card. So make sure to open up any of your browser on your mobile phone or laptop, and you can try on laptop as it is more convenient to go on your laptop, and go to Google and search here Lucky mobile SIM activation. So you can search this activate Lucky mobile SIM card, and once you search this, click enter, and after that you will see this website, SIM details SIM card activation. This is the official website of Lucky Mobile. So just go to this one and open the first website that you find, and it will take a few seconds to load. So let it load completely, and also make sure do not try any other websites. Just go to this official website of Lucky Mobile, and once you are here on this page, so as you can see, this is the option. Select an option, activate a physical SIM or an eSIM. So just choose your SIM card, and after that just click on SIM card number. So you can find the SIM card as the instructions are given. So this is the basically SIM card number. So just enter the SIM card. After that, enter the phone number, and after that you can choose the plan, what plan you want to buy or you want to choose, and click on add ones and more. So this is basically nothing, and after that enter the account information, and then you have to do the payments and review and submit. Once you review and submit, you will get everything, and after a few minutes or an hour your SIM will be activated. So you can follow this simple process. As you can see, SIM type, phone number, plan, add ones and more, account information, payment, and that's it.